Welcome to 30 Minutes or Less Car Talk. I'm Mario Gear. Today's story, love it or hate it, MTV is bringing back Pimp My Ride. This time without original host Xzibit or Galpin Auto Salon. Before I get into the story, consider giving me a follow, leaving a comment on today's story, and sharing it out with your friends. Here we go. MTV Pimp My Rides returns this month with new host. Watch the trailer in the link provided down below in the video description. MTV's Pimp My Ride is making a comeback this month, albeit in the UK, without original host Xzibit. Filling in for hosting duties will be British rapper Lady Lashur, and it remains to be seen if she'll be able to match Xzibit's sublime mix of hilarity and goofiness that made the original so popular with car and non-car people alike. 6 episodes have been filmed, and the first goes live on MTV's UK YouTube channel on August 19th. The garage where the magic will happen is Wrench Studios, which is based in Ashford, UK, and run by 2 brothers. 2 cars that we know will be on the show are a 1966 VW Beetle and a 1992 Mitsubishi 3000 GT. There will be a new focus this time around, and that will be on the environment. The show will highlight the environmental benefits of do-it-yourself style mods using refurbished parts found on eBay's Certified Recycled Hub, which features used OEM parts. There will also still be extreme modifications, we're told, so expect loud colors, crazy sound systems, and plenty of screens. The original show, while it was a huge hit for MTV, was not without controversy. For example, there was certain mods only being added for filming, but then removed, usually for safety reasons, or cars being modified to look cool but not actually drive well. Some owners also sold their cars soon after being handed back the keys. Interestingly, there's been a number of spin-offs. There have been 2 shows filmed in Brazil, France, Indonesia, and even a previous UK version that ran from 2005 to 2007, featuring British DJ Tim Westwood as the host. There you have it. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, follow, and share. And here are a couple of videos that YouTube thinks you may enjoy.